Let's talk about Alchemy coin. Its short form is it's Alchemy Pay. Its ticker is ACH. It's sitting at 3.6 cents. There is a zero in front of it. If I start calling it 36 or something else, please do remember there's a zero in front of it. I've covered this coin previously as well, so let's see when was the last time I covered it, and then we'll get back to today. ACH, the translator is going to fuck it up. That was 7 of Feb. Okay, it's been 13 days. At that time I offered a support at 3.1 cents, resistance at 3.6, and this thing is it is sitting in its resistance area as we speak. Not bad. Not bad at all. At that time when we were covering it, it was sitting at 3.2 cents. This is 7th of Feb. This was our support. This was our resistance. Now it has conquered this resistance, but not only that, there's something more sweeter that has happened. It's 1.9 cent. So if we lose 3.1 cent, it will head down towards 2 cents, and that's pretty much it with Alchemy Pay. If we go to today's chart, I'll show it to you on the live chart, but meanwhile, I just want to see something else. 3.1, 3.6, dropped, okay. Yeah, the fancy thing that has happened is that it has formed a cup and handle on 4 hours. There is your beautiful cup and there is your handle. It is a rather clean structure. I love when I see a clean cup and handle. This is a bullish structure if you don't know what it is. Now I can give you a closer stop loss or an area to indicate that it is going down. And on top of it, I can give you the target where the hell you can expect it to go from here. So, just a second. So on this cup and handle, the depth is pretty deep. So it's going from 3.7, and it goes as deep as this would be 2.7. That's 1 cent. Okay. So from 3.7 it will go towards 4.7. Not bad at all. Okay. It will go up 1 cent. So this structure will push this price this high. This will be the first deliverance on it. And then from there, of course, I'll come back and I'll update you. We will see some more fancy stuff with it. But for now, this cup and handle can do a deliverance up to 4.7 cents. Now, how would this structure become invalidated? Very easy. It is at 3.3 cents, which is the bottom of the handle. If it goes below this area for more than 8 hours, forms 2 candles below 3.3 cents, I would assume this structure is invalidated, and now it is going to start its downward journey, which obviously will push it down towards 2.5 cents. So 3.3 cents is an early indicator for you that if you lose this area, it is shooting down towards 2.5 cents. If it doesn't lose 3.3 cents, it continues to hold on to it, then you are on a journey towards 4.7 cents. This is a good deal in the sense that it is a good structure. If it plays out, you are in a good place. And if it doesn't play out, you wouldn't get caught red-handed because it's sitting at 3.6. The stop loss is at 3.3, so it's not a bad play. I like plays when I see cleaner structures. Of course, at the end of the day, it depends on the market. If the market fucks up because of some news or something else, it can destroy. Otherwise, from technical analysis perspective, this is a really good structure and a really good play, and this is Alchemy Pay for you. And I'll come back and update you if I see anything else that happens. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.